Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the watch and yourself. Put the watch on snugly so sensors read correctly. Charge it above half to avoid interruptions. Open Garmin Connect on your phone and sync now so workouts and settings are current. On the watch, scroll to the strength activity profile and enable heart rate and GPS off to save battery. Once done, tap to customize fields, sets, reps, and rest, so the watch shows exactly what you need during the first set. You now execute the workout while the watch records details. Start the strength activity and perform your first set, press lap, or use auto rep detection to mark completion. Make sure the watch displays set count, elapsed time, rest countdown, and heart rate so you can pace intensity and recovery. Once you finish a set, rest according to the countdown, then press lap for the next set. If you need to tweak notes or weight, change them quickly in Garmin Connect between exercises for accurate logging. You finish by saving and reviewing your session to close the loop. Stop the strength activity and save it on the watch, then sync to Garmin Connect so your set, rep, heart rate, and rest data are backed up. Once synced, scan the activity summary to confirm counts and intensity. Compare to previous sessions to track progress. If reps or sets didn't record, make sure auto rep detection is on, check wrist fit, and manually edit entries in the app as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.